Stop before you ditch Google Assistant for Gemini AI. Let me save you from making the same mistake I almost did. I've been testing Gemini on my phone, laptop, even during my morning routine, and while it feels like the future in your pocket, there are hidden frustrations people don't talk about. And if you switch too fast, you might regret it. Let me explain. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I explore the latest AI tools and gadgets so you know what's hype and what's actually helpful. Today, it's Google Assistant versus Gemini AI. And this isn't just about tech, it's about real life. From setting alarms to sending texts, the differences might surprise you. First, let's talk about the hype. Gemini is insanely powerful. I asked it to plan me a trip to Lagos. It didn't just suggest hotels. It built a full 3-day itinerary, added food spots, nightlife recommendations, and even told me which traffic routes to avoid. That felt magical. I tested it for email writing. I typed a rough sentence like, "Sorry I'll be late for the meeting," and it turned it into a polite, professional email that sounded just like me. Moments like that make you feel like, wow, this is the future. It's like having a genius personal assistant who knows your style. But here's the part nobody tells you. Gemini can sometimes feel too smart for its own good. One morning, I said, set an alarm for 6 a.m. Instead of just doing it, Gemini gave me this whole motivational speech about why waking up early boosts productivity. I'm like, Gemini, bro, I just need to wake up on time, not a TED Talk at midnight. Another time, I asked, what's the weather today? And instead of just saying 28 degrees, partly cloudy, it wrote me a full paragraph on climate change. Meanwhile, Google Assistant? Simple, quick, done. And when you're rushing out the door, that's all you want. Think about it this way. Google Assistant is like that old friend who might not be the most exciting, but they always show up for you. Need a timer while cooking? Boom, done. Want to call mom? It dials instantly. Lights off. Playlist on. Reminders? Flawless. That reliability comes from years of integration. Assistant just knows how to handle your smart home, your phone, even your car. It may not impress you with fancy answers, but it always gets the job done. Now, I'm not here to bash Gemini. Google is clearly betting the future on it. And honestly, when Gemini works, it's incredible. The way it understands context is scary good. But here's the honest truth, it's still learning. Gemini is like that genius friend who loves explaining everything in detail, even when you didn't ask. Cool when you want research, frustrating when you just need a quick answer. For example, I once asked it to find me a good dinner spot nearby. It gave me this long list with Yelp reviews, pricing breakdowns, even historical trivia about the restaurants. Meanwhile, Google Assistant just gave me the closest 5 spots with a map. Guess which one I ended up using? The simple one. So should you replace Google Assistant right now? Honestly, no, not yet. Use Gemini for the big stuff: trip planning, brainstorming, research, writing. But keep Assistant for the everyday quick tasks: alarms, calls, reminders, and smart home controls. It's not an either-or situation. Think of them as teammates. Gemini is the brain, Google Assistant is the muscle. So here's the bottom line. Gemini is the future, but Google Assistant is still the present. Right now, one is a flashy genius, the other is your dependable partner. If you want a stress-free daily routine, don't rush to throw Assistant away. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried Gemini yet? Are you switching or staying loyal to Google Assistant for now? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'll be reading them. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because I break down the real truth about AI tools every single week. At the end of the day, the question isn't just what can AI do? It's what can you trust it to do reliably every single day?